The notion that a perfect relationship is the key to happiness is a myth, one that can ultimately lead to disappointment and heartache. According to Leslie Wolfe's book A Beautiful Couple, the pursuit of an ideal partnership can be a destructive force in our lives, causing us to lose ourselves in the process. You owe it to yourself to re-examine your understanding of love and relationships, and this book is the perfect place to start. A Beautiful Couple by Leslie Wolfe is a thought-provoking exploration of the complexities of human connection, and the best part, you can listen to the full audiobook completely free using the trial link in the description below. Through her insightful writing, Wolfe challenges readers to re-evaluate their expectations and assumptions about love and relationships. One of the most significant takeaways from the book is that true fulfillment comes from within, and that no partner can complete us in the way we often expect. For instance, consider the example of a person who has always defined themselves by their relationship status, only to find that they are lost and unfulfilled when the relationship ends. This realization can be both liberating and terrifying, as it forces us to confront our own weaknesses and fears. Another powerful lesson from the book is that the pursuit of perfection in a relationship can be a recipe for disaster, as it creates unrealistic expectations and puts undue pressure on our partners. If this is resonating with you, don't wait, grab the full audiobook free using the link in the description. The book also highlights the importance of self-awareness and personal growth in any successful relationship, demonstrating that true love and connection can only flourish when both partners are emotionally mature and fulfilled. The free trial link is waiting for you right in the description below. Click it, start listening today, and transform your life. You will gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the complexities of human connection, and this newfound awareness will empower you to build more authentic and meaningful relationships.